Hi, I'm Mr. Carney, and welcome to Welding Technology.
Hello, my name is Austin. I'm a first-year level 100 student in the Welding Technology program. In the first year, we learned about safety, oxy-fuel welding, burning, cutting, and brazing. We also learned about SMAW, which is shielded metal arc welding. We develop our skills by using topics and completing them, and we move on. And I enjoyed my first year because we did projects, I met new people, and next year I'm looking forward to doing GTAW, which is gas tungsten arc welding, and GMAW, which is gas metal arc welding.
In the 200 level, we continue learning about SMAW, preparing for SMAW certifications. Then we began learning to weld using the GMAW process. In completing GMAW, we learn about flux core arc welding, or FCAW. Then we learn welding symbols. After we complete welding symbols, we start to learn fabrication skills with basic hand tools for layout and fabrication equipment such as the brake and the shear.
Hi, my name is Graham and I'm a level 300 welding student. During the last year in the welding program, we use all the skills we have learned in previous years and apply them to hands-on projects and jobs in the shop. Along with completing projects, we are also working towards and pursuing certifications for future employment. After acquiring these skills and certifications, we are then ready for entry-level employment opportunities. After graduation, I am happy to say that I will be starting my career with the company installing garage doors and loading docks.
Upon graduation, our post-secondary students have the opportunity to go either into the workforce, or if they're interested, they can go to post-secondary education, such as Penn Tech College, Thaddeus Stevens College, or Northampton Community College for welding degrees and associates or bachelor's. They also become welding engineers, architectural engineers, and structural engineers. They have some great opportunities here at Middlebucks Institute of Technology and our Welding Technology program. Thanks for coming.